welcome to another day in Tokyo, Japan. We are heading to Yokohama today and we are gonna go to that Gundam factory that has this super big Gundam that actually like walks out. I've seen videos all over social media, so I can't wait to see it in real life. And then we are gonna hit up the Cup Noodle Museum in Yokohama, where you can design your cup noodle and customize the ingredients that goes in it. So I'm really excited. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, so let's go. Just finished with the Gundam dog and it's actually freezing cold here. Like, it's extremely windy, so hopefully you guys can hear what I'm saying right now. But right now I just got a churro from this stall right here. It was 550 yen for one churro, so we're just waiting for it right now. And then we're gonna go to the Gundam base store because this guy wants to go do some shopping.
Oh, yeah.
He's literally geeking out right now and he's like absolutely loving every single freaking second of this. So I'm gonna let him cherish this and enjoy, even though I'm like freezing cold. Good thing I'm like pretty much covered up today with my hat and everything. But we'll go to the factory store later and I'll show you guys a little bit how it looks inside. Literally my hair is in my face.
You still love it. Side menu, recommended dishes.
New hot dog with cheese combination, that looks crazy.
And you have drinks.
Oh, I definitely want one with the print.
Which one?
The one that I want. The Gundam Factory, obviously. This is matcha latte, or what else do they have? Do they have a regular latte? We are currently at the Gundam Factory cafe. We just ordered a bunch of stuff for lunch just because we're starving right now. We got here around, I think, 10 o'clock. And we went through the whole thing. We went through the process of going through the docks and like seeing it like right up front. And it was freezing cold outside. Like, my nose is red because it's just so cold. So we ordered like 2 lattes and 2 hot dogs. So we're just waiting for that right now, and then we're gonna chow down. So I'll show you guys everything. So Anton got a regular hot dog with all the works. So got onions, mustard, ketchup, relish, and all that kind of stuff with side fries. Mine is the bolognese hot dog, which is very interesting, with a side of fries. And then we also got like this, I think this is is like a spicy chili bun. Looks super cool. Gonna try this out later. Got the cutest lattes. Oh my gosh. This is my matcha latte. So cute. I can't get the matcha latte yet. They're so foamy. So good. Got this spicy chili bun. Spicy. That's for sure.
Good. It's messy though.
Walking to the Cup Museum right now, and the dock here is so beautiful. Like, there's so many people and the view is just stunning, and it's like a really nice little walk area. So right now we are at the Cup Noodle Museum. We just booked our tickets for 4:30, so we will be back later to make our own original cup noodles. But right now we're just gonna explore the museum to see what they have to offer. So let's go check it out. Delicious for 500 yen only, which is really affordable. All their dishes are relatively small, but it's a great snack. I personally loved it. Did you really like your mee goreng?
Really good. I like it more than the
I like my laksa, okay? He's bashing on my laksa because he finds it salty, but it was really good.
so cool outside.
So right now we're just chilling outside, waiting for our time slot at 4:30, and then we are gonna go design our own cup cup noodles. It's so nice that they have this little porch out here with a beautiful view. So we're just chilling here. Got our cups right here. We're gonna design and draw. So we just finished with the Cup Noodle Museum, which was so freaking fun. But right now we are walking for 30 minutes to get to the Pokemon Center. It's far, but I think we have to check out the Pokemon Center if we're in Japan. So we're walking there right now to check it out. And for tonight, I honestly have no idea what's going to be planned, but we'll see where the night brings us.